It is so dark here. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is a cave next to like the big waterfall thing. And it is dark. You can probably see nothing. But at the end over there is the exit. And it's like a very dark cave. Like, you guys don't know how dark it is. It is so dark. I can't see anything. You guys could probably see nothing. Like, that's the exit. And like, yeah, we're out. And, like, it's a very, very, very dark cave. It's made of stones and there's water on the floor. And I'm trapped in here. Just kidding, I'm not trapped. I'm obviously here. And there's the exit. There's water on the floor, oh my god. And that's the waterfall. I'm going to show you guys from like a easier way to show it. Let's get down here and I'll show it to you guys. This is the waterfall. Yeah, this is a waterfall. And yeah, this is how it looks closer. And this is how it looks very close. I'm gonna show the waterfall. Very close. That's the waterfall. Okay, this is a tree, and that's the cave I was in. Subscribe and like.